Hello everyone, friends. You are on the FinShop channel. Helpful and not so helpful. Today let's take a closer look at the future novelty of Realme 11 Pro Plus. Smartphone promised them a gold television in every aspect. It's the perfect coordinates for the title best spoiled smartphone on the market. Like, subscribe channel for diligence. And we begin. Let's go. Let's start with the smartphone has undergone major changes in appearance. Round design of the main unit stone on the back highlights this gadget is among the monotonous analogs on the market. Crossbus is made of polycarbonate and tempered glass. There will also be a premium version of soft skin that created renowned Italian designer Matthew Monato, who worked with brands Gucci, Bulgari, and Chanel. The designer was delivered by Sunrise Sun in a romantic city. Legacy stitching, hand-sewn, which divides the smartphone into two parts, emphasizes the uniqueness of the smartphone. Realme 11 Pro Plus will receive 6.7-inch curved AMOLED motor. Full HD Plus resolution, high screen refresh rate of 120 Hz. The shim frequency will be a record 2160 Hz. Eyes will not be exposed to harmful radiation, and thanks to good peak brightness of a smartphone, he will use it without problems even in bright sunshine. Friends, if you want promptly receive the latest news about new, subscribe to my Telegram channel of the same name. I post there every day. A huge amount of news and hot deals from AliExpress at the most inflated prices. Check it out, the link is in the description below. Responsible for system performance, new Shinometer processor from MediaTek Dimensity 7050. This is an 8-core whale, consisting from 2 productive cores. Cortex-A78 at 2600 MHz and 6 power-efficient cores. Cortex-A55 with a frequency of 2000 MHz. The base version will have 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of physical memory. The most downloaded version will receive a volume of 12 to 112 GB. The new stone is expected to provide significant growth performance in games without significant troping. Regarding photos and videos opportunities, then everything is quite interesting. The camera block consists of 3 centers. Most importantly, he can write video in 4K 30 frames per second. It's significant progress compared to Realme 10 Pro Plus. The second sensor is ultra-sharp 8-megapixel lens. Well, the third sensor we have is macro sensor at 2 megapixels. Phantocam will get 32 megapixel sensor. The battery will be 5000 mAh, support fast power charging 100W. It is also worth noting a good series sound thanks to powerful combat speakers. Dolby Atmos support, excellent. Haptics linear vibration motor with pleasant tactile feedback. The novelty will receive a quick under-screen fingerprint scanner, NFT module for contactless payments. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3 and support new generation networks. The device will work on the basis Android 13 running proprietary shell Realme UI 4.0. Dimensions following 166 and 6 mm in height, 73 and 9 mm wide and 8 and 2 mm in thickness. In the charm of only 183 grams. Realme 11 Pro Plus Beyond premium versions will be offered in colors. Oasis Green, Astral Black. Will they be in leather not yet known? Realme has already confirmed that the novelty will be presented on 10 Maya with her younger brother. Realme 11 Pro. We look forward to this miracle. Chinese engineering thought. Write, friends, in the comments, how do you like the future novelty? Send me content and don't forget subscribe to the channel to skip new videos.